Hilchas Nazirus Perek Chi. Hamafresh Mois, Shiakriv Mehem Korbanos Nazirim, Vehikriv Mehem Vehisiru, is Yovi B'Misorim Korbanos Nazirim Acherim. So the Tiferes Yisrael is that even though he was mafreshet for specific Nazirim, and Lepel, they used the money, and there was Moiser, so that money could be used for other Nazirim. So that's the Moiser Nazirim is L'Nazirim. Shemesa L'Nazirim is L'Nazirim, even though it was Chatchila earmarked for certain Nazirim, but it could be used for other Nazirim. However, Hifresh Mois Stumen L'Nazirus say, if he was mafreshet for his Nazirus, and Lepel is Vehesiru, he used the money, but there's still leftover money. He bought the Karbanis and there's leftover money. So over here the din is Yiplu Hamesis L'Nadava. The leftover money should be given L'Nadava, which means it's given to Hegdish, and Hegdish buys with it oiles for Kayetz HaMizbeach, so when the Mizbeach is not being used, when it's empty, so they buy Karbanis Tzibur, which are Karbanis Eila. So, and the emphasis is that even Marshal Hifresh Mois Stumel in the Zirus say, he can use it for his own Nazirus a second time. Whereas if he's be a Nazir a second time, so again, he could use the Mois Stumen, which was Mafresh in the Nazirus, say for his own Nazirus. But over here it's talking about that he was a Nazir once, and he used the Mois for his Nazirus, so now that leftover money he can't use for other Nazirim. That he goes L'Nadava. Masha'inkin, if it was Hifresh Mois, L'Nazirim, even though he was Mafresh for specific Nazirim, so the Moiser of that money could be used for other Nazirim. Halacha Beis. That's talking about when he was Hifresh Mois Stumen. Hamafresh Mois Mefurashim L'Nazirus Evahisiru. It wasn't Mois Stumen, but it was rather Mois Mefurashim. So over here, since we're talking about Mois Mefurashim, so then Moiser Eila Yaveyu Eila. And that he himself brings an Eila. The Moiser Eila, he brings an Eila. Umeser Achatos, the Moiser of the Chatos is Yelichem L'Yamamelech. Because the din is a Chatos Miskapru Bala, so Mela, just like the Chatos would be Yamusu, Salderas are this Mois, which are the Moiser of the Chatos, is Yelichem L'Yamamelech. Moiser, Dmei HaShlomim, Yaveyu Shlomim, and Ve'ein Tunim Lechem, Ve'necholum Liyem Echad. So notice the Shlomim of a Nazir is different than a regular Shlomim. Normal Shlomim is Necholum, Nishnei Yom V'Layla Echad. Masha'inkin of a Nazir is only Liyem V'Layla. But normally also Shlomim is Ein Tunim Lechem, and the El Nazir is Tunim Lechem. So you're saying that Mesid Mei HaShlomim, on one hand is Yaveyu Shlomim, Ve'ein Tunim Lechem, because it's like a regular Shlomim, but on the other hand is Necholum Liyem Echad, because it has it in, since it's coming from the Mois, which were for a Nazir, which would have been a Shlom of Yem Echad, so this is also for Yem Echad. It's Nachamal. So there's a musig of being Mafresh Mois Stumen, and there's being Mafresh Mois Mefurashim. When you Mafresh Mois Stumen, so all the money is together. It's Mois Stumen. And therefore, since in this money there's also Chatas money, there's Eila, there's Chatas and the Shlomim, so the Allah al-Mesh Misina is the Moiser of that money, if it's Moiser Nazirus say, should go L'Nadava. Masha'inkin, if it's Mois Mefurashim, so there's specific, there's Chatas money, and there's Shlomim money, and there's Eila money. So mainly the Chatas money goes to the Yamamelech, the Shlomim money, the Eila money is used to buy an Eila for himself, and the Shlomim money is also used to buy a Shlomim for himself. However, this Shlomim is different than a regular Shlomim in the fact that it's Necholim Liyem V'Layla. Now the Pashtus, when you say Mois Mefurashim, means he designated this Mois is for the Eila, this money is for the Chatas, and this money is for the Shlomim. We'll soon see that Mois Mefurashim lav dafke, that was the way it happened, and nevertheless it could be called Mois Mefurashim. The Rambam is going to say in Halacha Dalet. Halacha Gimel. Hamafresh Mois L'Nazirusei Umes. So again, if a person was Mafresh Mois L'Nazirusei Umes, so before we were talking about he was Mafresh Mois L'Nazirusei, and there's Moiser of that money. Over here it's talking about Hamafresh Mois L'Nazirusei Umes. So im hayustumim, so it's Yiplu L'Nadava. Again, because since in this money there's Chatos, Eil, and Shlom all mixed together, so the din is the same Allah al-Mesh Mesinai that says that the Moiser of Nazirusei should go L'Nadava. So al derech zeh, if he has Mois Stumen and he was Mes, so it also goes to Nadava. However, Yehayu Mefurashim, so it's the same thing. Dmei Eila Yavi Eila, Dmei Chatas Yelchol Yamamelech, and Dmei Shlomim Yaveyu Shlomim, V'necholim Liyem Echad V'ein Tunim Lechem. So the din is that if you have Mois Stumen, which means all the money is mixed together, so it's Yiplu L'Nadava, whether it's the moiser of the mois tumen, or if it was the mois tumen umes, mashengen, if you have mois mufurashim, so whether it's the moiser of mois mufurashim, or he was hifresh mois mufurashim umes, so then the Dme'ela is Eila, the Mechatas is Yam HaMelech, and the Dmei Shlomim, it brings a Shlomim, but it's Nacholim, Liyem V'Layla. Now, Ketzad Heid HaMois Hastumen, how is Mois Hastumen Kegame? Shehifresh Mois Lahavi Mehem Korbanesov, V'lei Omer Klum. He took the money and he was mafresh it for the money that he needs, for the Korbanos that he needs for the Nazirus, and he didn't say anything. He just, in his mind, he was mafresh it for the Korbanos of the Nazirus. That's called Mois Tumen. Avalim Omar Elu Lechivasi. He said clearly Elu Lechivasi, even though he didn't take choice that this is an Elu and this is a Chatas and this is a Shlom. But he said Elu Lechivasi is Hare Elu Kimu Furashim. It has a din Kimu Furashim. It's Arach Leimar Im Omar Elu Leilasi Ulechatasi Uleshlomai. And that he said about all the money, but he didn't say each one separately. He said about all the money Elu Leilasi Ulechatasi Uleshlomai is also Shehin Kimu Furashim. Now the question is, if he said about all of it together, Elu Lechivasi, or he said about all of it together, Elu Leilasi, Uleshlami, Ulechatasi, so Lechura, how are you going to say that the Mei Ela and the Mei Chatas and the Mei Shlomim? So B'Hamshech, we're going to see that there's a musig of dividing it. You divide the money. So Aldera is over here. Since he said 3 korbanos, or he said Elu Lechivasi, so you divide the money, and then you say, this money is for the Ela, and this money is for the Chatas, this money is for the Shlomim, and then you do what the din. That the Oila you bring a Oila, and the Chatas you Yam HaMelech, and the Shlomim you bring a Shlomim, which is Necholim L'Yem V'Layla. Now the Lashon of the Rambam is in Omer Elu L'Chivasi. We'll see B'Hamshech that if he'll say L'Mashal Elu L'Nezirusei, that's also considered Stumen. It's not when he said Chivasi, because the word Chivasi bringing from the Rosh and Nazir, Chivasi is also Kel. The chatos is bochoiva, is only bochoiva. So by saying Elu Lechivasi, you're saying you're talking about the chatos, which is Eini bo el cheva. So by saying Elu Lechivasi, that gives it the din of Mois Mufurashim, and then that has that special din that the chatos is Yam HaMelech, etc. Masha'inkin, if he said he didn't say anything, or even if he said Elu Nzirusei, so then that has a din of Mois Tumen. And the male, if it's mois tumen, is yiplul in the dove. Is nachamal. The din is that if you have money that's either mois or mois nazir, or you have mois nazir that was never used because he died. So if it's mois tumen, is yiplul in the dove, and if it's mois mufurashim, so then the chatas is you throw it to the Yam HaMelech, and the eila you use it to be makriv v'neila, and the shlom you use it to be makriv v'shlema, but it's not shlomim, but it's not chol yen v'layla. Halacha hey. Hamafresh behema balasmum is harehi kimois tumen. You mafresh mois a behema balasmum for your nazirus. V'chein hamafresh loshen shel kesef v'shel zoh v'keli is afal pisha omar zel lechatasi uleilasi uleshlomai is harehi kimois tumen. Knows if you take mois mamish and you say harelu leilasi lechatasi uleshlomai, is kilu saying that part of it is leilasi, part of it lechatasi, part of it uleshlomai. Memela is kimu furashim, and the may you have to take out that part for the chatos, etc. Masha'inkin, since we're dealing with something which really you're not going to use this itself, you're going to first have to sell it and then get money for it. You'll have to be paid it and get money for it. So memela, even if you clearly said la'ilasi l'chatosi l'shlomai, nevertheless we don't say that there's any specific part of it that's for the oila, for the chatos of the shlom. It's considered all one mixture, and memela. So just like by mois tumen, we say that it's yiplul in the dovah, so that is over here, it's yiplul in the dovah. Halacha vov. Ha'emer elu lechatasi, v'hash'ar l'nezirusi. Umes, that's one case. So now we have money that was designated for a chatos, and then another money which was designated for the oil and the shlom together. Or, oi shehoise isha, and not it was mess, but rather hefer labaila. So when it's hefer labaila, so when a person goes to a chacham, is aker and neder, so comes out l'chatchila, there was no nazirus. Mashenkin over here, when it was hefer labaila, be'etzem, there was a matzav of nazir. However, mikan lahaba, he's made for a baal made for mikan lahaba. So you can't say that the hafrasha was no hafrasha, because lepil the hafrasha was a hafrasha. It's just like when a person is mafresh, and then the person died. So pshaz there was a hafrasha, And now we have money that was mufresh, but you can't use it because the person died, or there's moiser. So Aldera's over here. The Isha, there was Hafrasha, and Lepel, since there was Hafara, so it can't be used, it would be Aldera Gvimes. So that's the same case. So Eimer Elul Chatosi, Ba'ashar L'Nizirusi Umes, that's once here. Oy, there would be such a case, Oy Shahoise Isha was a woman that said, also Elul Chatosi Ba'ashar L'Nizirusi. And then the Hefer Lo Baila, so Lepel, B'shas Maisa, when she said what she said, so she was Taka Nazira, and what she was saying was meaningful. But Lepel now, she's not a Nazir anymore because there's Hafara, and Mikano Lahaba, the Hafara works. So the din is azay, since there's a Chatos, so the Mei Chatos is Yel Chali Yamamelech. But V'hashar, Yoveu B'chetz Yonelu B'chetz Shlomim. And you don't say Yiplu L'Nedova the Sh'ar, because since over there's no Chatos mixed in, so therefore you say Yoveu B'chetz Yonelu B'chetz Shlomim. However, Halacha Zayin Omar Elu Leilasi, and then he said V'hashar L'Nzirusi. So the one that he said Elu Leilasi Dmei Elu Yoveu Elu, because he designated for an Elu. But V'hashar, the other, which over there's the a Chatos and a Shlomim mixed together. So over there is Yipul and Nedova. Nekuda is when you have money mixed together, Mois Tumen, and in that Mois Tumen there's also Chatos. So then it's Yipul and Nedova. If there's no Chatos in there, so then you divide the money and you use it for an Oil and a Shlomim. Whereas if there's only Oil and Shlomim there, so then you use it Chatzi Eila Chatzi Shlomim. Masha'enkin, if you have a Chatos mixed in there, so then there's the din of Yipul and Nedova. That's this din. So again, so when it's Mefurashim, so then each one is used for what it's used. And if part of it is Mefurashim, so it depends which part. If the Chatos was Mefurish and the others were Stumen, so the part that was Stumen also is Chatzi Eila Chatzi Shlomim. Masha'enkin, if the Eila was the Mefurashim, and then there was the Chatos and the Shlomim were Stumen, so then it's Yipul and Nedova, because since part of it is a Chatos, so there's the din of Yipul and Nedova. Halacha Ches. Mi shedimo shul chayiv b'naziris v'hifresh korban nesav v'achar kach shol l'chocham v'hiro she'en ze nozer. Over here it's not a hafara like we learned before, where over there is made for mikana lahaba. Over here he goes to a chacham, and the chacham is hiro she'en ze neder v'ein chayiv b'naziris is ma yase b'korban she'hifresh yetzu v'yiru be'eter shezeh hekdesh b'toy she'en hekdesh k'mei she'yizbar b'mkemis. So notice he was mafresh thinking that he's a Nazir, but Lepel, the Chacham told him he's not a Nazir. Halacha Tesh, Ha'isha shenodr b'Nazir, v'hifrisha korban yisrael, over here she was already mafresh the korbanos. V'achar kach hefer l'bayla. Is im shalei hoysa behema, the behemoths were his, so then teitzi v'tirbeida, because since he's le'nichale in the fact that she's mafresh the korbanos, so obviously she had no right to be mafresh the korbanos. He's not nichale in the whole Naziris. So in Mela, she had no right to be mafresh these korbanos. It's teitze v'tirbeida. She'ena the magdish dover she'ena shalei, and Mela he wasn't nichale. However, v'mhoya korbanos mishala was her money. Ve'ein lebayla b'em klum kigen shenitlo b'matona al manah shaliyah lebayla b'em rishus lemashatirtze tasbem. So it was her money. So Mela she was taka mafresh, and Lepel when she was mafresh she was taka nazira, because even though later on her baal was mefer, but Lepel the hafar is only mikana lahaba, so b'shas ma'aseh she was taka nazira. So Mela passed the idea of hafroshes akorbanos. So Mela hachatos is Thomas. V'ha'ela that she was mafresh, even though she was mafreshet for the naziris is tikar avela. B'hashlamim yikru v'shlamim. Because Lepel is not being brought on Naziris. Since it was mufresh for a shlam of Naziris, so it only comes Liyem Valayla, but since it's Lepel not being brought on Naziris, because Lepel she's no longer a Nazira, so therefore it's Eina Tunalech. Halacha Yud, Hefrisha Moy Stumen Lekarban Yisrael. So over here again you have Moy Stumen, which Lepel she can't bring the carbon because Lepel she's not a Nazira. She can't bring the chata, she can't bring the carbon because she's not a Nazira. But on the other hand, it was chal de kedusha because when she was mafreshet, she was taka Nazira. So it's the din is yipul nedava. The same din like someone was hifresh mois tumen omes. Now hoyim mufurashim is again the same din like someone was hifresh mois mufurashim omes. Is mechatas yel chol yamamelech ud me'ela yovei oela ud me shlam yovei shlam v'necholim leimachad ve'ena tunum lechem. So it's exactly the same din like a person was mafresh mois stumen or mois mufurash and a mess. So over here you have an isha that was mafresh mois stumen or mois mufurashim, and then the neder was hufer. So now it's a new matzav. So her naziris ends, but on the other end, what she did was done. Halacha Yud Aleph. Ha'isha shenodra benazir v'nitmas b'teich yimei naziris v'achar kach shama b'ayla v'hefrlo. So normally when a person is hutma, you have to bring the taglachas tumah, and then there's the hamshech of the naziris, and then there's taglachas tara. So over here, there's not going to be a hamshech, because the Baal was mefer. But on the other hand, she did become tummy. So the din is harezu mivi a carbon tumah. She has to bring the carbon tumah. Whereas the carbon tumah is coming to be mechaper on the fact that she was a nazira and she became tummy, and that's the fact. The pale, she was a nazira and she became tummy. But normally, when you become tummy and after you bring the karbonis tumah, the klachas tumah, so then you resume your naziris of tara. But over here, since there was afara, so she doesn't resume the naziris of tara. But on the other hand, she still has the karbonis tumah. Halacha yud beis. Ha'ish shehider is b'nei benazir, and v'hifresh aleha olav carbon nesov, and then v'leirotza ben benazirazu umicha hu a krevav, a shegilachu a shegilchu krevav. So again, we have a matzav where the father is able to be mader b'nei benazir, but on the other end, the son could be mecha, and when the son is mecha, it's not the pshat is that nothing ever happened originally. Pshat is just like a father could be made for the nedarim of ishtay, of bitay, so, and alder is a husband. So alder is the ben could be mefer and could be meicher in the naziris that the father took up for him. So here is a ish shehider is b'nei benazir, the hifresh olav carbon nesov, and v'leiratza ben ben nazirazu and micha hu a krevav, a shegilach hu a shegilchu krevav, which was an expression of being meicher in this naziris. So again, hachatos is Thomas. We're talking about he was mafresh karbanos. And those karbanos were real karbanos. And those now hekdesh betois is hachatos Thomas. Va'ela tikar v'ela v'hashlam yikru v'shlam v'necholim le'mechad v'enon tunu lachem. Again, because of the same din. Because lepel, what he did was done, but lepel, there's no hamshech. It's the same din like a person was mafresh and then he died. A person was mafresh and then the Baal was mefer. So over here, the ben was mefer. Now, hifresh le moy stumen is again the same din. Harele yiplu l'nedava. Hoye moyes mefurashim is the mechatas yelchel yamamelech, the me'ela yaveu ela, and the me'shlam yaveu shlam, einan tulim lechem, v'necholim liyemechad. So we have a consistency of the dinim of a moiser. A person was mafresh moisel in the zirusei. That would be a case where, and he was, and then there was moiser. So there's a difference if it was mois stumen or mois mefurashim. Al derev zeh, if a person was, an isha was nadr benazir, and the Baal was mefer, and al derev zeh, we're talking about or a person was nadr benazir and then he was mess. And al derev zeh, a person was mader his son, and then his son was meich, or the craven were meich. Halacha yud gimel, ha'emer hareini nazir kshiyah liben, v'hifresh karben, v'hipilo ishtei, and v'chazra v'yolda. Is area korbanus sofik v'asurin b'gizav aveda. Now, when a person says hareini nazir kshiyah liben, so if his ishti was muberes and lepel she was mapel, and then later on he had a ben, so the din is definitely he's a nazir. That's the Rambam said clearly at the end of the first perek. Now here he said hareini nazir kshiyah liben, and then he was mafresh a carbon. So he was mafresh a carbon for his nazirus. So there's a svara that the question is, this carbon was mafresh for the nazirus, which is coming from the ben, which he's having from the ibur. So einachinami, he's going to be a nazir also for if lepel she was hipila, and then he later on had a ben. But lepel, since at this point in time he was being mafresh a carbon for the ben that he was expecting from the first ibur, so therefore it could be that this carbon wasn't chal on the second nazir. A nazirus that comes as a result of the fact that she was chazrav and nisarbo abra, which is definitely a nazirus, but lav davka, that carbon was chal on that nazirus. In other words, he was expecting to have. It's also there's a big machlekes rishenim and pshat in the Gemara over there in Nazir, but l'chura the pashtus hadvarim when a person says, he says, Hareini nozik shi'eli ben, so he's committing himself to be a nozer. And now he's being mafresh a carbon. So he's definitely will be a nozer when he'll have a ben, and if he'll be a marshal, he pila v'chazer in the sa'ar, but he'll also be a nozer. But this hafrasha was for the nazirus that he's expecting from a ben from the first ibur. So Einachinami, he'll be a nozer later, but this carbon is only a carbon for the nazirus that he's expecting from the first ibur, and Lepeli never became a nozer from the first ibur. So in Mela, there's a svara that this carbon is not a carbon. And that's why Hareya Karban is Safik Vasurim the Giz of Aved. Slachur Pshat. Halacha Yudal. Shnei Nazirim Shenitma Echad Mehem Ve'en Yodua Mihu. So one of them has to bring a taglachas. One of them needs a taglachas tara, and the other one needs a taglachas tuma. Is Ketzed Meviim Karban Isayim. Is Meviim Karban Tuma the Karban Tara b'mleis Yimei Nazirusam. You bring there's the karbanis of the tuma and the karbanis of the tara. The karbanis of tuma is shnei teirim, shnei b'nei yena, echad lechatos v'echad la'asham, and also echad lechatos v'echad la'ela, and then a keves la'asham. That's the karbanis of tuma, and the karbanis of tara is a keves la'ela and a kivsa lechatos, and an ayil for shlomim. That's the karbanis of the tara. So you mevin carbon tumah, the carbon tara b'mleis yimei nazirusam, the emer echad mem. Imani hu atome, if I'm the one that's tummy, is carbon tumah shali, the carbon tara shalacha. Imani hu ator is carbon tara shali, the carbon tumah shalacha. So memela, and so they bring both karbanas. So one of them is already finished with his nazirus, and the other one brought the carbon tumah, and now he has to restart his nazirus. Is v'seif from Yemei Naziris Acheres Gemura Me'achar Karbanis Elu. Then both of them go ahead and resume the Naziris again. They start the Naziris all over again, and then the Chayzin at the end Umeviin carbon tara. They bring one carbon tara the Emer Echad Mem Imani Hushayisi Tomei. So therefore, carbon tumah shali, the original carbon tumah that I brought earlier, when before I did this second time Naziros. So the carbon tumah was shali, and the carbon tumah tara shalacha, and the carbon tara then was yours. And memela now there's that carbon tarasi, because then I was tamei, and now this is carbon tarasi. And fakert imanihu ator. If I was the one that was the original one that was tor, so carbon tara shali, so the original carbon tara was mine, and the carbon tumah shalacha, and the original carbon tumah was yours. V'zeh carbon tarascha, and this is your carbon tara. Is nimsa shlis if sida b'carbon the same klum. So notice you have a matzav where there's two people. One of them became tummy. We don't know which one became tummy. And lepel, you don't have to bring any extra carbonas, because lepel, they're going to just bring a carbon tumah and a carbon tara. One of them has to bring a carbon tumah and a carbon tara. The other one just has to bring a carbon tara. So you end up bringing two carbonas tara and one carbon tumah. And lepel, both of them was certainly yotza. Either the carbon tumah or carbon tara. And it was both of them. The one that needed a carbon tumah was definitely Yitzhak's carbon tumah, and al derech zeh, both of them were Yitzhak the carbon tara. That's talking about when they were both alive. So mainly you go through the process of first bringing a carbon tumah and a carbon tara, al safik, and then at the end bringing a carbon tara. However, mes echad mem, if one of them died, so now there's only one of them, and he doesn't know if he needs a carbon tumah or he needs a carbon tara. He doesn't know if he ever became tummy. So what he has to do is, now if he was tummy, so he has to bring karbonis tumah. Part of those karbonis tumah is chatus seif. So memela is arezem nevi chatus seif, and also the eilas behema. He brings the eilas behema, which the eilas behema is what he would bring for part of his carbon tara. Whereas for his part of his carbon tara, he would bring an eilas behema. Is arezem nevi chatus seif, the eilas behema v'yemer. Im tummy hoyisi, if I was tummy. So hachatos michitasi. So now I have to bring a carbon chatos. V'ha'oila nedava, and the carbon oila is a nedava. Now, really, he's supposed to bring a chatos v'oila. An osham he can't bring because he can't bring an osham al tzasafik. But l'chura the oila, an oila sa'if he could bring. But lepeil, so it brings the Ramar brings from the Rashash that lepeil he's yoytze his oila sa'if with this oila's behema. And so I'm saying v'oila nedava means the fact that it's a behema instead of a neiv, that's nedava. It's not the pashtup shot. But I'll call upon nimtami hoyisi achatos mechivasi v'ha'ila nedava, I'm bringing a chatas. And lepel mamish, the carbon tumah, the ikar of the carbon tumah is the chatas. Lepel, once the chatas was nikraf, so Mele he could resume his naziris. So im tami ha'yisi achatas mechivasi v'ha'ila nedava. However, v'im toira yisi. So now ha'oila mechivasi, this oila that I'm bringing is the oila for a taglachas tara, and v'chatas ha'if sofik. The chatas ha'if I'm only bringing mitzad the sofik tumah. And lepel, late in tzad that I was Torah, so taka the chatas seif was not necessary. But lepel, you have the din is you're allowed to bring a chatas seif misafik. So nachamal. So this person that doesn't know if he became tummy or not comes to the Beis Hamikdash and he brings a chatas seif. He brings the chatas seif plus an elas an oila, and he says, if I was tummy, so this is my chatas. I'll my part of my taglachas tumah. This is my taglachas tumah, the chatas of the taglachas tumah. And if I was never tummy, so this oila is the oila of my taglachas tara. The imtoira you see ha'oila michivasi. This is the oila for my taglachas tara. And then and the chatas seif sofik. I was the chatas seif if I wasn't tummy. Good, I brought it as a sofik. The sefer yemei naziris acheres. Now he goes ahead and again counts yemei naziris acheres umevi korban tara ve'emer. Im tummy you see if I was taka tummy. So I brought taka the oif of the chatas ha'if, which was the taglachas tumah, and ha'ela rishein and the dava. The original oila that I brought together with the chatas ha'if wasn't part of my korban tara, but it was rather in the dava v'zucheva. Now that I'm bringing the korbanos tara, that's the cheva. However, v'im Torah, you see, if originally I was Torah, is ha'ela rishein a cheva. The original oila that I brought was a cheva. V'zun nedava, and this new oila that I'm bringing, that's a nedava. V'zeh korbani, and besides the oila which I already brought, now I'm bringing also the chatas, the achatas and the shlam. Ve'ein echad mishneim migaleach taglachas tumah. Now neither of them, in the original case in Halacha Yudalid where there were two nazirim, or in this case in Halacha Tezvav where there's one nazir and there's a suffix whether or not he's doing right now a taglachas tumah, so he can't do a taglachas tumah. Elim kein hoyuktanim inoshim she'ein elu makifim pas reishim misafik. In those, when you make a taglachas, so you're being makif pas reish. So if it's a taglachas tumah or it's a taglachas tara, so you're doing a mitzvah. So that's beseder. You're allowed to do that. Mashenkin over here, there's a suffix whether you became tummy. So if there's a suffix you became tummy, so you can bring a chatas seif abal, a suffix you could bring. But on the other end, you can't go ahead and be makif pas reish misafik, because you're being over on the isser of l'sakifu pas reishim, unless we're dealing with someone that there's no isser, like if the person is a isha or a cotton. So then he could bring, then he could also do the taglachas tumah. Halacha tezayin. So we spoke about a situation where there's two people, one of them became tummy, and we don't know which one became tummy. So v'keitzad yivoled lahem safik zu b'tumah. What's the tzir where someone became tummy? We don't know who became tummy. Kigain shahayu shnei nazirim eimdim b'shus hayachid, which has safik tumah sham tummy. There's a safik tumah tummy, and v'ya echad mibachutz reya eson v'amar reisi echad mikem shenitma v'ein yidem mihu. In other words, there's someone standing outside the Rishus HaYachid, and he saw one of them became tummy, but he didn't see which one became tummy. If this third person that's watching these two people was also in the Chatzar, so mele it comes out that there are three people in the Chatzar, so then it's Harei Shneim Teirim, because this din, there's this din, Safik Tum Rishus HaYachid, Sveiki Tummy. Safik Tum Rishus HaRabban, Sveiki Tor. The gather of Rishus HaRabban over here doesn't mean the Rishus HaRabban like Lini Shabbos, it means the whole din of Safik Tum Rishus HaYachid, Sveiki Tummy, we learn out from Seita. And over there was only two people. Mashenkin, if there's more than two people, so that goes into the gather of Rishus HaRabban, which is Sveiki Tor. So Mela Avam Hoya Eid Ze Imoin B'chotzer is Harei Shneim Teirim. Kiven Shem Shleisha is Hareim Rabban. And V'Rabban Rishus HaRabban is Sveikim Tor. Kesafik Tumim Rishus HaRabban Shu Tor, K'mishi is Bourbon Kemi. So Mela, in order, so we have to have a tzir where there's a suffix, and the suffix Tumah Rishus HaYachid is Sveiki Tamis. And what's the suffix? The suffix is, there's two people there. One of them someone saw one of these two people become tummy, but he wasn't inside, because had he been inside, so neither of them would have been tummy, because they would have had a din of safik tumah b'shus harabim sveiki tor. But medvar mamurim, that if someone that was standing outside saw one of them become tummy, So the din is they're both a suffix tumah, and both of them is the din of suffix tumah, tamei, is ksheshosku hanazirim shneim. Ein es tapikla amadover. They don't know. Avalim omer echad mem ani leinit mesi. If a person says clearly ani leinit mesi, afilu shnei edem idn olav shenitma. Is any mevi korban al piyam. Shezeh she'omer leinit mesi, by saying leinit mesi, is ke'emer any mevi bituma. I'm not going to have a taglachas tumah. I don't need to bring a taglachas tumah. Why? Shekvar nish'alti an nizirusi. V'nimtza she'eni machir seidem. And there's normally a person is not believed to be machir seidem. So if you have a nazir, and the Eid is telling the Eidim are telling the nazir you became tummy, and he's saying eini mevi bituma. So we're saying that he's not being machir the Eidim, but it's keilu, like he's saying that nish'alti an nizirusi, and therefore he's believed. V'adam naman ha'idei atzmei. That's talking about if he was makish the Eidim. Avol im shosak in stapikle. If by him he has a suffix, what happened? Is hareza mevi korban afil al piyachot k'mesha biyarnuf. And Dachot comes along and says that you became Tomei, and he doesn't know maybe. So then he has to nem on what the Eidachot said. He nems on. He accepts what the Eidachot says, and based on that, he would bring a korban. Over here, the Eid is saying there's a suffix which one became Tomei. But if the Eidachot would say on someone that he's a Vadei Tomei, and he says that he's not being makrish, so then he would go through a taglachas tumah and bring a korban based on what the Eidachot said. That is a mevi korban afil al pi Eidachot k'mesha b'yarnu. Ve'ein v'chein eid she'omar le'echot b'fonai nodarte b'nazirus. Over here we're talking about tumah. What would be a case where someone says to echot b'fonai nodarte b'nazirus? Is again imik chishay is ein chayev klum. However, v'imlei chishay is neig nazirusi al piv. So you accept, you say you don't remember, you don't remember, you don't say for sure not, you just don't remember. Is neig nazirusi al piv. Afilu amal l'shnayim re'isi echad mikem shenazar ve'eni yedeh miu is hail ve'en machish nesis. So you have an eidachot that's creating a suffix nazirus, and they're not saying not, they're not machish nesi. So the din is neig and nazirus al piv. They have to be neig nazirus al piv b'tzad the suffix. Noag naziris al pi echad v'shasa yayin einitma v'hisru b'shnayim is like afal pishar ikar naziris beidachad. Just like we learned Benigeh that Benigeh macholas asuris. If an eidachad comes along and says this is a dvar iser, and then two eidim come along and says you ate it, so the din is that he's chayiv malchus, even though the whole yisod that it's a dvar iser is based on a eidachad. So al deraz over here also. If you have an eidachad that's coming along and telling someone that he's a nazir, and then this person went ahead and he was nitmo or he's ochal yayin, so he's chayiv malchus, even though the whole yisod that he's a nazir is based on eidachad. To say an eidachad can be mechayiv someone malchus. If a eidachad says you did something wrong, you're not going to be chayiv malchus on what a eidachad said. But an eidachad can establish the matzav, and then if there's eidim that are saying that in this matzav you did something wrong based on the fact that this is the matzav, so then you take a chayiv malchus. Halacha yudches. Mes shoye mushkev l'reichav aderech. Is afal pi she'ein sham mokim laver, and if you go on the derech normally, there's no way of going through without going over the mess. Ella olav or negeh b'tzidi, either you're walking over him or you're touching him on the side. V'afal pi she'i tumah yedua, lepel it's the tumah, you know about this tumah, it's not tumah sateim. V'avar sham nazir, and we know that the nazir was aver. So the din is harizah tor. Why? Hail the suffix b'shus harabim tor, and that's called a suffix. In other words, a suffix means it's not really a vadai that he was negeh b'tumah, even though it's very unlikely that he's tor, because the only way that he would be tor is if he walked on the side, which is not the regular way of walking. But since it's within the realms of possibility that he walked on the side, and it's in Rishus Harabim, that goes into together a suffix tumah Rishus Harabim sveiki tor. B'medvar mamur b'mhalach b'raglav, if he's walking. So it's possible that he walked on the side of this mess, even though the mess was going l'reichav aderech, but he would have to go all the way on the side. Avalim ha'yireichav, if he was riding over there, wasn't walking, but he was riding. Eitoin masi was carrying a load. So mela, the chance of him going to the side while he's holding a load is very, very unlikely. It's because kamat machayches. So then is ariza tomi shamahala beraglov is efshe shaliga. It's possible, it's maybe unlikely, but it's possible that he didn't touch the mess and he wasn't mile over the mess and he didn't move the mess. Avul ton or rechiv, if a person's carrying a load, or he's riding is EF Shaliyiga Vishaliyal Shaliyasid. It's impossible that he didn't walk over the mess, or at least move the mess, or touch the mess, and Memela Shari Yames L'Rechav Aderech, and therefore that's considered a Vadei Tumah, and therefore even though Rosh Hashanah was Suffolk Tumah, Rosh Hashanah is fake Tur, but it does not call it Suffolk. In other words, even the case when a person is walking, it's not really a regular Suffolk, yeah or no. It's highly likely that he did it. But since there is a possibility that he didn't touch it, so therefore that still goes into the category of Safek Tum Rosh Hashanah Fake Torah. But over here, it's not even that remote possibility is also not here. So therefore, he has a din of Tumah.